Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to private your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, we're going to click the Facebook app. This is mine. Oh, Rihanna's so pretty. Okay, we're going to click the three little lines in the corner. Then we're going to scroll down to Settings and Privacy. And then we're going to click Settings again. And then we're going to scroll all the way down until we find Posts. Now, who can see your future posts? And so you can do public, friends, or friends accept. So this pretty much locks your whole profile page. So that way no one can see any of your posts except the people that are your friends or what you prefer. That's it. And you can click friends, click done, and then it says friends, and that's it. So people go to your profile page and won't be able to see anything unless they're your friend. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. Bye.